Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can convert estimate to a sales invoice on ClearBooks. We need to go to sales section, and under quotes is our estimate. So under complete, my estimate is EST here. To create an invoice, either I can click on manage and click on create an invoice, or if I actually click on this estimate, I can create an invoice by clicking on this button. Now, estimate has been converted to an invoice. This is a draft of an invoice. We can amend details like date, due date, reference. This is estimate reference. Also, we can change different template, add more details for product line, or add another line, for example, shipping. Okay. And I can provide more details in summary section, select correct bank, for example, if it's business bank, or you can set up an instant bank payments like an e-payment. Edit invoice payment text, manage attachments. If you want, you can preview. So this would show a preview of an invoice with referencing estimate number here. Okay. You can refresh. You can save as a draft and always come back and amend details if required, or you can directly save, and in that case invoice will be created on a system. If I go to invoices section, I can see my estimate here under unpaid section. From here I can click on manage, I can email, or I can get an online link to send this invoice out. Also, I can print or download as PDF. The quickest way is to click on this little letter envelope, and we can send by email. You will need to provide an email address here. We can mark as send by post or mark as hand delivered. I have hand delivered this invoice to customer. So now if I go to invoices and look on events, invoice 127 for estimate, it has been marked as sent from system or delivered to a customer. In this episode I showed you how you can convert estimate to a sales invoice on ClearBooks. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my ClearBooks tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.